this is Kim from Chevrolet showcasing our 2008 Chevrolet Avalanche with only 71,000 miles on it for a mere $21,000. This is a great deal. This vehicle's got leather interior, sunroof. You'll see everything added to this vehicle when we get inside. Exterior, not really much to note. I didn't really find anything major to go ahead and show you. I didn't even really find anything minor for that matter of fact. You can go ahead and see our back tires here. I just showed you the front tires just a moment ago. This vehicle does come equipped with its hitch and electrical. You can see the rear sensors are out right now. We are fixing those, but we are just waiting for the part to come in. Very sharp, versatile vehicle. We'll go ahead and move to the interior so you can take a look. As I've said before, it is leather seating. This was about the major wear and tear that I found on the leather. Other than that, seems to be pretty clean. Front seat and back seat. Now it's not as noisy. I apologize for that noise. A truck decided to pull up behind me just as I was doing the video. Go ahead and look at our sunroof here. Oops, I don't want to put you upside down. There's the buttons for it. We've also got a universal home remote. Power windows, locks. Heated seats, memory seats. Lights automatically come on in this vehicle. Four-wheel drive. Cruise control on the steering wheel, volume and station controls on the right side, along with Bluetooth. As I said, it looks like it's not popping up, but it should pop up service, rear assist, and like I said, we are fixing that. It's just a matter of waiting for the parts for that. But no lights on other than telling me to buckle up. Got a radio here. Radio sounds great. No signs of crackling, anything of that nature. Go ahead and check the AC. AC comes out nice and cold. We've got adjustable power pedals down here. That's our parking assist. A couple charge points. We've also got here the trailer brake controller. Center console. Charge port over here. Cup holders. Glove box. We'll go ahead and pop the hood here in just a moment and let you see what's under this hood. After I show you the back seat, it is dirty, but it will get clean. Cup holders here in the center. Give me a moment while we go under the hood. Here we are. You can see our 5.3 V8. Should you have any other questions about this vehicle, please feel free to give me a call. Phone number here, 989-879-2211, and ask for Kim. Thanks and have a great day.